Ever dreamt of a kitchen that's straight out of a sci-fi fantasy? The future is here, and it's beyond what the Jetsons promised. It's in your home today. We're peeling back the curtain on an innovation that's setting the new standard for culinary tech, the AI Family Hub fridge. This isn't just a fridge, it's a revolution in your kitchen, transforming how you interact with every ingredient and meal. Get ready to be amazed. Gone are the days of discovering a science experiment growing in a forgotten corner of your fridge. With AI vision inside, this fridge doesn't just keep track of what's inside, it even reminds you when your groceries are about to wave goodbye to their prime days. It's like having a personal inventory manager, keeping tabs on every carrot and carton of milk. But here's the real kicker. Ever find yourself standing in front of your fridge wondering what to cook? This genius here suggests recipes based on what you have. It's like having a culinary wizard right in your kitchen, making meal planning a breeze. And for those moments when you're tied up, say binge watching your favorite series or deep in a work project, this fridge is your lookout, ensuring you don't miss out on restocking essentials before it's too late. It's your personal kitchen assistant, always at your service. Now you might be thinking, that's all cool, but why do I need this in my life? Imagine cutting down on food waste, saving money, and having a personal kitchen assistant that knows your fridge better than you do. It's a smart device that's truly smart, adapting to your needs and making your life easier. But it's not just about simplifying kitchen management. This fridge, with its AI Family Hub, becomes the central command station of your kitchen. It understands who's speaking, tailoring its responses to individual needs. It's a device that's designed to understand you, making your kitchen not just a room, but an experience. But let's dive a bit deeper into the heart of this fridge's AI capabilities, shall we? It's not just about tracking expiration dates or suggesting recipes, it's about creating a kitchen that understands you. This marvel of modern technology is equipped with an array of AI features, each designed to make your kitchen life a breeze. At the core of its intelligence is voice recognition. This fridge is all ears, ready to respond to your every command. Whether you're asking for a midnight snack suggestion, or you're in a rush and need a quick dinner recipe, it knows who's speaking and caters to your specific tastes and preferences. Think of setting up your profile on this fridge as planting a seed in a smart garden. At first, it's just a seed, your basic dietary preferences. But with each interaction, it sprouts and grows, learning and adapting to your tastes. Whether you're exploring the leafy greens of vegetarianism or navigating the protein-rich paths of a keto diet, it's intuitively simple. This fridge remembers your choices and blossoms with recipe suggestions tailored just for you, evolving over time. It's like nurturing a plant that, in turn, knows exactly when you need a dash of culinary inspiration or a sprinkle of dietary-specific convenience. Before you know it, this smart appliance isn't just an appliance, it's a familiar friend, greeting you with personalized meal ideas each day, perfectly aligned with your dietary journey. Easy, intuitive, and growing with you. Simplifying meal planning is just the beginning. But the magic doesn't stop there. This fridge is not just a standalone wonder, it's a team player. It integrates seamlessly with your other smart home devices, creating an interconnected ecosystem that works in harmony to make your life easier. Planning a dinner party? This smart fridge can sync with your smart oven to preheat at just the right moment, saving you precious time. Or perhaps you're dreading the cleanup after the feast. Fear not, it can alert your smart dishwasher to be ready for the task. And the best part? It's constantly learning, constantly adapting, getting better and more personalized with each interaction. This is the power of AI. It's not just about making things easier, it's about making things better. Scene script. Imagine this scenario. You're at the grocery store, wondering if you need more eggs. A quick peek through your fridge's internal camera, accessible right from your smartphone, and you know exactly what you need. This isn't some far-fetched futuristic concept. This is the reality of AI in the modern kitchen. Picture another day, you're running late from work. You're worried about dinner, but then you remember, your AI fridge has you covered. A quick voice command before you leave the office. Hey fridge, what can I cook with the ingredients I have? And voila, a list of recipes awaits you when you get home. But it isn't just about cooking and grocery shopping. The AI Family Hub fridge is a central hub for your home. It's a Saturday morning and you're planning the family's meals for the week. No need to run around checking everyone's schedules. The fridge has synced everyone's calendars and dietary preferences. You have a clear view of who will be home for dinner each night and what they'd like to eat. Or maybe you're hosting a dinner party. You've been busy all day preparing, and suddenly you realize you forgot to chill the wine. Not to worry, your fridge has detected the oversight and adjusted its temperature to chill your wine to perfection in time for your guests' arrival. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is all this tech going to be overwhelming, or what if I'm not that tech savvy? Let me tell you, the beauty of this fridge lies in its simplicity. It's designed to make your life easier, not complicated. From intuitive controls to personalized settings that adapt to your lifestyle, it's like having a helpful friend in the kitchen, always there to assist you. And for those eco-conscious among us, this fridge is a dream. Its energy-saving modes and intelligent management of food not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also cut down on those pesky utility bills. Are you like me and struggle each day with what to cook for dinner? Then this refrigerator will become your new best friend. I love the thought of getting ideas based on what's in the fridge. It saves time. Knowing that the milk has gone off before pouring it on my cereal is a huge good to know for me. What are your thoughts? Does a fridge just need to be a fridge, or the fact that it is now smart make that a game changer for you? I'm eager to hear your take on it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's chat about how AI is reshaping our kitchens and our lives. And remember, the future is not just coming, it's already here, in our homes, making them smarter, one appliance at a time.